Press the bell icon and never miss an update from Bollywood Now.
Thank you very much, first of all, the whole team at Mijwa for the work they're doing. Of course, Shabana ji, Namrata, Manish, and a lot of people behind the scenes who are working very hard to make this work what they really believe in. And I normally don't get opportunities to come and show my good side, do the things that rich, big movie stars who are good looking and sexy are supposed to do. So this is my bit. So genuinely from the bottom of my heart, to all the boys and girls also who've taught me how to walk, and my wonderful friend Anushka, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, genuinely. I've been trying to, because I'm that kind of person who never comes to a function without Googling and finding out what they do. So I found out everything about Mijwa. From the time Kaifi Saab put this whole thing together, and how Azamgarh and Azmi comes through. But the work they're doing, they started with 15 to 20 ladies, young girls, and they've gone on to have about 400 people now. Am I correct?
That's right. Yes, you've done your homework.
God bless
Kya
Google.
baat hai aapki?
Yeah, मैं छोड़ूंगा नहीं. And but I genuinely want to say, and there are people in the back who are watching my butt right now. I'm sorry.
Bring them here. The Mijwa girls,
really
just bring
talking
them
to
here
you all
quickly.
also. I'm sorry. This is a little circular thing which is completely new for me, which is making me gain in confidence as a ramp model. And all the boys, you guys watch out, dude. I'm coming, and I'm going to do this ramp stuff. I'm becoming good at it, okay? But honestly, because of Shabana ji, Manish, and Namrata, they've known me since I came to Mumbai. At some time or the other, have been extremely supportive. And what they're doing right now with Mijwa is genuinely one of the finest things, Yeah, it's a small aspect of the world. And we keep talking about empowering ladies, which is a misnomer according to me. So I'll turn around here also and tell everyone, it's a misnomer. It's like, save a bloody planet. No, you don't save the bloody planet. The planet saves you. The planet is looking after you. And similarly, when we say empower women, there is nothing like empowering women. They are more powerful than us. All we need to do is genuinely give all the ladies, all the young girls, all women an even playing field. That's all they are asking for. And I know, and we have to believe this, realistically, it's an unfair world. It's a man's world. And we have taken this for granted for too bloody long. Guys, cut out the bloody word. I get into trouble with the non-liberals. But I just want to tell you this, that genuinely we've taken this for granted for too long. All we need to do is offer an even playing field. And Mijwa, in its own small way, and in its own fantastically big way, is doing the same thing. It's taking these ladies, giving them an even playing field. Women, I do believe, if they are taught learning, the learning goes much. Am I speaking too much?
No, you're not speaking too much. But here are these young girls from Mijwa. This is Shweta.
Shweta, you're the only person I've met who's got better dimples than me.
This
So
is Aditi.
I have to kiss you. Thank you, Shweta, for doing this. Okay.
This is Sayukta. She's done the wonderful
Aditi,
work
thank
you've
you.
seen.
Girls,
And that
yeah,
is Sangeeta.
I have to take advantage of this. I know you got sindoor and stuff, but you got to hug me and give
हाँ,
me
चलो
love, yeah.
जल्दी जल्दी
Come on,
जल्दी.
come on. Thank you so much for doing what you're doing. And I really want to say this, because I won't get an opportunity. I'll get back to my capitalist, a lot of money earning world quickly right after this. I get this opportunity because of Shabana ji and Manish and Namrata. Where's Namrata? Lovely little Namrata. And I just want to say this, that, if learning is given as is being done in Mijwa, when a learning is given to a woman, it goes much further and wider than when learning is given to a man. Men are good, they're nice, they're doing this stuff, and it's really nice. But women take it further. They take it to children, they take it to society, they take it to everyone else. Labor, handcrafted stuff that they're doing, chicken curry. I'm really sorry, I've never worn a chicken curry stuff before. This is the first time I like chicken, so I'm happy. Yeah. To all Peter followers, really sorry about this, but I like chicken, yeah, man. This is mine. And generally, you're a vegetarian, you can wear chicken curry, yeah. So I just want to say, when labor and the essence of labor and work is given into the hands of women, they are much more intricate, they are much more honest about it and earnest about it. And this is an experience I've had all my life, being an actor, being a producer, being whatever capacity that I've been, even a son, a brother, a husband, a father. And the third part, when you give leadership in the hands, which Mijwa is giving, and your organization is giving, I think they're going to rule. And the last but not the least, because I'm here, I'm a romantic hero, love. There's nobody who loves like women. So please, it is important that we give these things in the hands of women, not to empower them, just give them an even feel, because they are better human beings, and that's the only way we can save the planet. So thank you, Mijwa, for having me over here. Thank you for the stuff that you're doing.
Thank you, Shah Rukh. And let me seize this opportunity, ladies and gentlemen, to say that Shah Rukh Khan acted in a film in which he insisted on giving Deepika Padukone credit title above him. At that time, I said, that's wonderful. But what would be really wonderful if he did a women-centric film in which he had the smaller part to do, and he went and did Dear Zindagi. So, jeete raho, khush raho, that's really empowerment.
I know this is going to be so taken out of context, Shabana ji, what I'm going to
No,
say now.
but you're talking about empowerment of women and the fact that you actually did
what
it.
I'm going to say now and get into
मगर
trouble.
कुछ तो तारीफ करना जरूरी था ना?
Can I मैं ऐसी बात करूं जिससे मुझको trouble हो जाए इस शो के बाद?
नहीं ऐसा मत करिए।
अच्छा नहीं करूं, आ
नहीं
जाओ।
ऐसा बिल्कुल भी मत करिए। ऐसा बिल्कुल भी मत करिए।
But I can still say Mijwa and women on top.
Yeah!